inside the 4 systems 7-figure plastic surgeon practices use that nobody else knows about. If you're running a plastic surgery practice and wondering what the top earners are doing differently, this breaks it down. If you're not interested in scaling, skip this one. You're performing surgeries and seeing patients, but your revenue has stalled. The reason isn't what you believe it is. The difference between a $500,000 practice and a $3 million one is not just surgical volume. It's fixing a broken process, and you're not alone. Many aesthetic practices openly struggle with differentiation, often lagging in technology adoption. This is because 7-figure practices have stopped chasing more leads. They have built a multi-lever growth system instead. We will now deconstruct this system, the conversion secrets, the authority framework, and the hidden profit levers they apply. So where does this system begin? It starts with a shift from guessing to knowing. Top practices are driven by data at every stage. The first and most critical KPI is consultation-to-surgery conversion. The benchmark is 30 to 50%. A small improvement means huge revenue gains. Next is operating room utilization. Top practices target 75 to 80% capacity. A modest increase here adds significant profit annually. Finally, revenue per hour. A surgeon's time can be worth over $1,000 an hour. Untracked time is a silent revenue killer. This is the first secret. High-earning practices view their business as a dashboard of levers. Others just see one button, get more leads. Now that you see the dashboard, which lever has the most impact? It's the one we mentioned earlier, the broken consultation process. Why do so many qualified, high-intent patients vanish after an inquiry? The answer reveals a deep flaw in how most practices operate. The failure isn't your marketing, it's the absence of a defined, repeatable patient path. Top practices script every single step. Breakdowns happen with inconsistent intake, sending unprepared patients into consults and unconstructed meetings that feel like interrogations. A structured process does more than create efficiency, it builds confidence. The patient feels guided and secure, which is vital for this decision. Fixing the process is foundational. But what is the single most powerful tactical change you can make inside that process? It's an unexpected one. Stop offering free consultations. It sounds wild, but the data is undeniable. Paid consults can hit 90% conversion. Free ones hover around 40%. A fee doesn't deter serious patients. It filters out shoppers. It sets value from the first interaction and attracts people committed to a result. Another system leak? Unbilled add-ons. Those small free treatments during a visit can bleed substantial revenue from your bottom line annually. And the most overlooked lever? Patient retention. A tiny 5% increase in retention can boost profits by as much as 95%. So you've optimized your process and plugged your revenue leaks. But why can some practices charge premiums and have patients thank them for it? Remember why patients disappear? It's not just a broken process. It's a lack of pre-established trust. They arrive uncertain and unconvinced. This is a hard data point. Nearly half of all patients, 49%, will delay booking until they can verify a surgeon's credentials on the web. Authority is built through a multi-platform content ecosystem, showing up in news articles, authoritative directories, and with educational content. This is why organic search is the highest converting channel at nearly 19%. Patients actively researching what the definitive expert. When a patient consumes your educational content before a consult, they aren't just learning, they are self-qualifying. They arrive past the trust hurdles. We've covered the system mindset, the conversion process, and the authority engine. How do these pieces combine into a growth machine? The ultimate key is this. The perfected patient process we discussed is powered by the authority you build externally. One fuels the other. Recall the 90% conversion rate for paid consults? That requires authority. You can only command a fee when you're seen as worth paying for. And the KPIs from the beginning? They are not just numbers to track. They are the diagnostic tools for your entire system's health. 7-figure practices don't do marketing or sales or operations in silos. They run a unified system where authority drives premium leads into an optimized funnel. The path to 7 figures isn't more volume, it's more system and more discipline. It's a shift from surgeon to architect of a growth engine. Building the authority part, this system, the omnipresent trust building content, is the most difficult component. It requires a media infrastructure. Medfire Media's Omnidominance AMP system is that infrastructure. It creates widespread authority that makes the entire system function. The top practices know this is the foundation. Now you do too. Don't stop here. The next video uncovers something most practices never see coming. Click on the screen.